Do you want to get jacked? Plank jacked, that is. Come on! Guys, I am dreading this move. It's going to burn so good. Oh, it's great. So we're going to start in our plank position. So make sure that you're not on a slippy mat. Make sure that your hands are squared under your shoulders. And then all you're going to do is out, in, out, in. You can make these as big or as small as you would like. Really just make sure that you're staying nice and strong through those shoulders. Really try to keep everything nice and square. Out, in, out, in. Try to keep looking at the ground the entire time. This might be a good time to put on your favorite YouTube channel and watch something while it's distracting you. I usually like to do makeup tutorials while I'm doing this kind of move. It helps you keep your mind off the pain. Jump. Try to jump as lightly as possible. If you want to, you can also put shoes on. Take some of the pain off of your toes. If you need to, come down to those knees, shake out those shoulders, because it's a very shoulder intense move. Breathe. And when you're ready, come back up. It doesn't matter how many breaks you gotta take. What matters is that you have the dedication to do these. They're so hard. Whew. I've been dreading them all month. Keep going. Now, if that is really hard and you don't want to jump, there is the easier version. So all you're going to do is you're going to come up into high plank. You're going to walk out, in, out, 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 out, in. Whew. Sorry, I messed that one up, guys. Here we go. Out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out, in. Whew. Take some more time. Rotate those shoulders. My shoulders are really, really sore. I just met my goal by being able to do a pull-up. I was able to do one of them by the end of summer, which was my goal for the whole entire thing. And yesterday, I got 2 in a row. I was so excited. But my shoulders are definitely feeling that. So today, they feel dead. Out, out, in, out, out, in. And these definitely are killing my shoulders. My abs are getting toned, which is great. Whew. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Good job, guys. Keep going. You can also do these fast if you want to, and you'll be done with them a whole lot sooner than I am, if you choose to do that. Whew. Out, in. Whew. Whew. I think I'll turn this way. Just look at this plant for once. I never get a chance to look at this plant. Out, in, out, in. Keep going. It's okay if your butt starts to inchworm up. Just try to reset yourself. Come back down. That just means your body's getting tired. You're probably pushing it to do something it doesn't normally do. So these challenges are all about it's being a little bit better than we were yesterday. Whew. Okay. Back up, out, in, out, in. If you want to, because these moves are so hard, you can even do them 25 at a time. That way you don't get discouraged. Or you can beast mode it like I'm trying to do. Or you might even be so fit that these aren't hard on you, into which case I say congratulations, because that is awesome. We all have a level of fitness we want to be at, and one day I'll get to the point where I can do 100 of these, It'll be no problem. It'll be amazing. Whew. Whew. Come on down again. Those biceps are on fire. Let's see. I got 3 more. Let's see if I can get them all without having to stop. Last one. Whew. Ooh, I am sweating. That was a great workout for me. Whew. So if you guys are enjoying this, please remember to like and subscribe. I would absolutely love it if you guys would. Remember, if you want to, hit the bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.